Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the card game Kitty. Kitty is a strategic and engaging card game, typically played with a standard 52-card deck. It's quite versatile, accommodating anywhere from 2 to 5 players. Your primary goal is to skillfully arrange your 9 dealt cards into 3 distinct sets. To emerge victorious, you must win at least 2 out of the 3 rounds by presenting the highest-ranked card sets. Setting up a game of Kitty is quite simple. You'll need one standard deck of 52 playing cards. The game is flexible, allowing for 2 to 5 players to participate. At the very beginning of the game, each player receives 9 cards. These cards are usually dealt one at a time in a clockwise direction around the table, ensuring everyone has their starting hand. The core of Kitty involves forming sets. Each player must arrange their 9 cards into 3 distinct sets, adhering to the game's specific ranking hierarchy. Once your sets are ready, you decide whether to continue and play or fold and withdraw from the round. If you continue, you'll play your highest-ranked set first. The player who presents the highest-ranked set in that round claims the win for that particular round. To achieve overall victory in Kitty, you need to win at least 2 out of the 3 rounds played. A truly impressive feat is winning all 3 rounds, which is known as achieving a salami. However, if no single player manages to win 2 rounds, the game enters a unique Kitty state. Mastering this game requires sharp strategic thinking and a good memory to track opponents' cards and anticipate plays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.